We can approach from both. Here I am considering this one sine 2 theta will be equal to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta, from which we get 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to cos of 3 theta. 2 times cos 9 degree, that is equal to root over 3 plus root 5 by 2 plus root over 5 minus root over 5 minus root 5 by 2. If we simplify 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 16, that means 10 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 16. Therefore, cos 18 degree will be equal to 10 plus 2 root 5. Numerator under square root symbol, 10 plus 2 root 5, denominator is 4.
Thank you for watching this video.
We can easily find the trigonometrical ratios of 36 degree, because 36 degree equal to 2 times 18 degree. Then using the trigonometrical ratio of 18 degree and 15 degree, we can easily find the values of trigonometrical ratios of 3 degree. Actually, 3 degree is equal to 18 degree minus 15 degree. That is why we need the values of sine 18 degree, cos 18 degree and tan 18 degree to find the T ratios of 18 degree. First one, sine 18 degree. For that, we take, let theta equal to 18 degree. From that, 5 theta equal to 90 degree. Therefore, 3 theta equal to 90 degree minus 2 theta, or you can take 2 theta equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. We can approach from both. Here I am considering this one sine 2 theta will be equal to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta, from which we get 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to cos of 3 theta. Therefore, 2 sine theta cos theta 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Since cos theta equal to cos 18 degree, that is positive value, we can cancel from both sides cos theta, so that it will be 2 sine theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Students are to find yourself using this one also, sine 3 theta. In that case, you will get on the left side cubic form of sine theta. Then you can proceed easily. Now, or 2 sine theta is equal to 4 1 minus sine square theta minus 3, or 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. 4 sine square that is taken on the left plus 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta. 4 minus 3, 1 on the left side it is taken, that is why minus 1. Thus we have got a quadratic equation in sine theta. Therefore, applying Trigonometric formula, sine theta will be equal to minus 2 plus minus root over d square means 4 plus 16 by 8. When we simplify, minus 2 plus minus root over 20 by 8 minus 2 plus minus 2 root 5 by 8. Since sine theta means sine 18 degree, which is of course positive, therefore sine theta, which is sine 18 degree here, is equal to minus 2. We have to consider here the positive sign plus 2 root 5 by 8, that is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Thus we get sine 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Again we know also sine 18 degree is sine 90 degree minus 72 degree, that is equal to cos 72 degree. Therefore, cos 72, value of that will be equal to sine 18 degree, that is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now you see, students, learners are to note these steps. Thus we have got the value of sine 18 degree, very important value. Also you have to memorize that value for solving the problems, and using the concept of trigonometrical ratios of complementary angle, sine 18 degree will be equal to cos 72 degree, that is equal to root 5 minus 1 whole by 4. Now we are going to find the value of cos 18 degree using the value of sine 18 degree. Now cos 18 degree will be equal to root over 1 minus sine square 18 degree. That means root over 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. We simplify that. 1 minus 16, 5 plus 1, 6 minus 2 root 5, 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16. If we simplify, 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 16, that means 10 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 16. Therefore, cos 18 degree will be equal to 10 plus 2 root 5. Numerator under square root symbol, 10 plus 2 root 5, denominator is 4. Then we can find tan 18 degree. Using tan 18 degree will be equal to sin 18 degree by cos 18 degree. That means root 5 minus 1 by 10 plus 2 root 5. Now already I have discussed, after finding the values of sin 18 degree, cos 18 degree, tan 18 degree, and also we have got the values of sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree, tan 15 degree. We can now find the values of three degree is equal to the difference of the angles 18 degree and 15 degree. Then we can find the values of sin 3 degree as well as cos 3 degree and tan 3 degree. Next we move to next matter. Actually we shall work out now few more sums. First one, I am going to prove that this sum cos pi by 32 is equal to half into square root symbol, within that 2 plus again square root symbol, 2 plus root over 2 plus root 2. How to proceed? Let us first see pi by 32 that is related to pi by 4. That is why we shall start from cos pi by 4. Now cos pi by 4, that is equal to cos 2 into pi by 8, or 2 cos square pi by 8 minus 1 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore 2 cos square pi by 8 is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2. After simplifying, it will be 2 plus 1 divided by root 2. Therefore cos square pi by 8 is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2, so that it will be 2 plus root 2 by 4. Since cos of pi by 8, that is positive angle pi by 8, that is positive, therefore cos pi by 8 will be equal to positive square root of 2 plus root 2 by 4, that is equal to numerator on the square root symbol 2 plus root 2, denominator will be 2. Again cos pi by 8 can be written as cos 2 into pi by 16, that is equal to root over 2 plus root 2 by 2, or 2 cos square pi by 16 minus 1 is equal to square root 2 plus root 2 by 2, Therefore 2 cos square pi by 60 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus root 2 by 2, 2 plus 2 plus root 2 by 2. Therefore cos pi by 16 is equal to 2 plus square root of 2 plus root 2 by 4, and we have to take here the positive square root value, that is this one, so that it becomes 2 plus 2 plus root 2 by 2. Again we can write it cos 2 into pi by 32, that is equal to 2 plus root 2 whole by 2. Therefore 2 cos square pi by 32 is equal to 1 plus this one, 2 plus 2 plus root 2 by 2. On simplification it will be numerator 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus root 2 by 2. Therefore cos square pi by 32 will be equal to 2 plus square root 2 plus 2 plus root 2 by 4. Therefore cos pi by 32 will be equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus root 2 by 2. Thus we have got the result. You see, very nice result. Under square root symbol first 2, again under square root symbol first 2, again under square root symbol 2. Therefore cos of pi by 32 is equal to this value. Thus we have solved the first one. Next we are going to solve few more sums. Already I have written on the right side of the board. Then I am working out one by one. Number 1. To prove cos 9 degree, 4 times of cos 9 degree equal to right hand expression. For that, cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree we have to find first the values of cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree and cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. Now cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree whole square, that is equal to cos square 9 degree plus sin square 9 degree plus 2 sin 9 degree cos 9 degree, that means 1 plus sin 18 degree. Now 1 plus, put the value of sin 18 degree, 5 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 minus 1, that will be 3 plus root 5 by 4. Now cos 9 degree sin 9 degree both will be positive. Therefore, cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree will be equal to positive square root of 3 plus root 5 by 4, that is root over 3 plus root 5 by 2. Similarly, we can find the value of cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree whole square, that will be equal to 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. On simplification, denominator 4, 4 minus root 5 plus 1, that is 5 minus root 5 by 4. One thing for the learner or the students, cos 9 degree is greater than sin 9 degree. Within 0 degree and 45 degree, cos theta will be always greater than sin theta. We can have that idea if we draw the curve of y equal to sin theta, y equal to cos theta. You will find that within 0 degree and 45 degree, cos theta will be greater than sin theta. Therefore, cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree is positive. Therefore, cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree will be equal to positive square root of this value 5 minus root 5 by 4, that is root over 5 minus root 5 by 2. Now I have got this one and this one. Cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree, cos 9 degree minus sin degree, 9 degree. To get the value of cos 9 degree, we have to add these two. Adding 1 and 2, we get 1 and 2, we get 2 times cos 9 degree, that is equal to root over 3 plus root 5 by 2 plus root over 5 minus root over 5 minus root 5 by 2, which is 5 minus root 5. From that we get 4 cos 9 degree is equal to under square root 3 plus root 5 plus under square root 5 minus root 5. We got the result 4 cos 9 degree equal to under square root 3 plus root 5 plus under square root 5 minus root 5.